Hey guys, how you doing? Today is your girl, Miss Debs. Today I've been doing a couple of videos because I told you guys sometime I'll just do them and put out like 3 or 4 or 2 for one day or one. But today I'm just trying to do some, and this one is going to be a 3-in-1 video. How are you guys doing today? Welcome to Miss Deb's Kitchen, Deborah's Delicious Dishes here in Orange, New Jersey. Giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ because you know he's worthy to be acknowledged and praised on this day and any other day. Wouldn't you agree? Guys, today I'm trying out this Vivitar. I'm doing a review on it, no sponsorship, not getting paid for it. But I just wanted to come up here. Like I said, this is a 3-part video. So it's going to be me doing a review on the 10-inch ring light from Vivitar. Then I'm going to be doing, Lay's had this chip out. Now, maybe it's not new to you guys, but it's new to me. You know I am a chip fiend. So it's Lay's Wavy Funyun potato chips. So I'm going to be doing a review on that and a taste test. And I'm also going to be showing you what I cooked for tonight's dinner. So you get 1, 2, 3 things in Miss Deb's video today. Okay, so let's get this started with this because I don't want to make it long. Okay, so it's a Vivitar 10-inch ring light with tripod. It says vlog podcast essentials for social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok. Okay, so it says 10-inch LED ring light, foam cradle with gooseneck, which I told you, excuse me, compact tripod with ball head and USB charging. So let's get this started and let's see how it works. So guys, I already took it out the box. I went on Amazon and they have it for $19.99, but I got it on sale for half off. So I only paid $9.99 for it. Okay, so this is the ring light, as you can see, and this is the gooseneck phone holder, right? So, and this is the tripod. And what else do we have over here? Let me pull this. Okay, so then we have this part right here that you guys all know who do vlogging and stuff. This is for like if you want to put your camera on, to connect the camera. Okay, so let's try. So, I'm not cheating, but I already plugged it up under my table as I sit here in the kitchen. So now this part right here, as you can see this, I know you guys know about this, but guess what? There's probably some people that don't. So right here, we have the connection to put the tripod on. I'm going to just screw that in just like that. You know, lefty is loosey, righty is tight, right? I'm sure you all know that. Okay, so we're going to sit it up. Hold up now. All right, there we go. Can you see it, guys? And I hope you can hear me pretty well because I have the phone kind of like on my display thing right there. So let's bring the phone here. Let's see how we're going to do this. Bear with me, guys. So I'm going to turn it this way. Hold on. I hope it don't cut off. All right, there we go. Okay, so now, guys, I'm going to put on the light. So it comes with a cord right here, as you guys can see, right? And it has like 4 different connections on it. So I'm going to see which way do I want it. Do I want it high or low? So let's go. Whoa. Okay, that's pretty light to be a 10-inch ring light. Okay, so that was the first, because the first one is for on and off. The second one is for how light you want it. This, you can dim it. So let me stop. Okay, so yeah, different tones, that's what we're going to call it. Okay, so I'm going up and down. Hope I'm not going crazy with the light. Okay, so this is just, I guess, to smooth things out. Yeah, I like this. For $9.99, guys, what you think? Whoa, that light was so bright when it went off. It turned like green. Or am I just seeing green? Okay, maybe I had it a little too bright. Okay, so that's it, guys. So, to me, I looked online. In the reviews, it had like 4 reviews. Didn't make it to 5. But you know what? For $9.99, I was like, you know what? It'll work. So then I can do my little instead of always putting my food on the stove, because I have a light under the grill on the stove, the vent on the stove, to show the picture of my food, I can use this now and just sit it on the table, you know. But just wanted to show you that. Again, it's called, I can put that down, it's called Vivitar 10-inch ring light. Has a gooseneck phone holder. It also has the piece right here to connect your camera. Then it has the USB cord that's already plugged into the light itself. And then you have this to go with it. Let me just try to bring the phone down a bit, guys, to see if you can see this. Okay, see? It has this, and this is your on and off button on the bottom. Then you have to dim it, to brighten it, and then this is the plus signs for like different tones or whatever, or if you want to call calm it down a little bit. Okay, so that's numero uno that we just did, guys. So while we have this bad boy on, how about we go on and do this taste test? Where we at? We at 6 minutes. Okay. So guys, I opened up the bag. I promise you I didn't eat it. See, the bag is full. See? Because you know you get more air anyway. Okay, so it says, who said you needed rings to have fun? Funyuns with the potato chip plus a question mark. Get the flavor. Funyuns rings now on Lay's wavy potato chips. So, it's 8 servings, 150 calories. And I've been doing pretty good. I've been trying to eat light, you know, even though I cook, but I slowed down for cooking for like a week with my family. But last night I said, let me cook for them. And then I cooked for my children, brother. His mom, she lost a son. God bless you, Karima. I couldn't begin to imagine what she's going through. But I did a little catering for them, you know, to help out, okay? So, here we go. Lay's Wavy Funyun Chips. Ooh, let's see what all the fun is about. Or is it fun from these Funyuns? Let's see. Okay, so here we go, guys. Got my little tea over here. Okay, let's get this started. So this is a big bag. And how much did I pay for these? I got these at 7-Eleven today. Was a 7.5 ounce bag. 12.6 grams. Okay, here we go, guys. Let me get a big one. Because you know your girl got a thing for chips. Look at that. It's, has like a little grain hint to it, but not quite. God. These taste just like Funyuns. My oldest son, excuse me, you know I hate talking food in my mouth. My oldest son used to love Funyuns. I mean, I used to love them when I was younger. Lay's got something new in here, guys. Lay's Wavy Funyun Onion Potato Chips. I like these. Get the flavor of Funyun rings now on Lay's Wavy Potato Chips. Wow. Vegetable oil, canola oil, corn, soybeans, sunflower oils. A lot of oils. Made from corn, salt, sugar, onion powder, monosodium glutamate. Garlic powder. Oh my goodness. Wave has got a winner with these. Winner ain't no chicken dinner, but these are good. Oh my goodness, I can't stop. Somebody stop me. Is it Lay's that have the slogan, you can't stop at one you just can't stop? Or is that Pringles? Well, anyway, I'm talking about Lay's today, and I can't stop, but I better stop. God. I give them Guys, this is no lie. I give these a 10 plus. Now, they have a little salt on them, but they're not too salty because I'm not a fan of salt. So, Funyun wavy chips. Try these, guys. I give it a 10 plus. Now, I'm going to show you my dinner because it's going up to 10 minutes now. So, hold on. So, guys, this is the chicken parmesan. Just took out the oven a couple of minutes ago. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. And I made macaroni and cheese the other night. Was it yesterday? Yeah. And so I had some macaroni and cheese left over, so I just put it in the pot, added a little more cheese to it, and that is the macaroni and cheese. Stovetop version / oven version. Okay. Let me get out this. Okay, there we go. And this is some string beans. We had those the night before last. My refrigerator keeps stuff cold, thank God. So what I did, I just put another can onto it. And this, so I didn't have too much cooking to do because this was left over and that was left over. So, because I had made a big pan of that. And then I made some for my children, brother's sibling. He passed away, so I made some food for them. So it was a lot of macaroni and cheese. But anyway, this is the chicken parm, macaroni and cheese, string beans. Your girl did not have to cook too much tonight. And the chicken patties are long. They're around about that big from there to there. So what I did, they came in a bag. It was from a haul that I did. Put them in the air fryer. Made some sauce on the side with diced tomatoes, some tomato sauce, put some little herbs and seasonings to it. And voila, that was my sauce and mozzarella cheese on top with some seasoning on top. And then the string beans, just added another can. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining your girls. You got 3 in 1 today. The Vivitar unboxing, reviewing of the light. Then the reviewing and taste test of the Funyun wavy potato chips. And also what's for dinner tonight. Thank you guys for joining your girl. God bless you. Tonight's dinner, chicken parmesan, string beans, macaroni and cheese. I cooked this the night before and then I just added a little more cheese and some butter and milk to it to make it like a stovetop version. So these is all from leftovers, where the macaroni and cheese and the string beans are. I just added 1 extra can of string beans from the dinner the night before. So don't throw away your leftovers. There's people out here in the world starving, you know. Thank you, guys.